Now let's look at converting a scientific number, scientific notation number into standard form. So to write a number in standard notation, it says use the exponent to determine if the number is large or small, determine which way to move the decimal point. Move the decimal point the number of times the exponent says to. And then it said, lastly, write the number you now have. So, for example, let's go ahead and do this. Okay. We're going to write this decimal, this number that's in scientific notation, 5.1 times 10 to the negative 7 in standard notation. So, first, let's take a look at the exponent. The exponent is negative 7. So that's the indication that we're going to move 7 spaces to the left. And we're going to start from where our decimal point is currently located. So what happens here is that we're going to have to create spaces. And the spaces that we create will be where we're going to insert zeros. So I'm just going to put some spaces here. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is where our decimal point now will be located. And then how many blank spaces do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means we're going to have to include 6 zeros in those blank spaces. So our answer is 0.6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 5, 1. So that's our number in decimal notation, standard form. Another example, we have here 5.8 times 10 to the third power. Because the exponent is positive 3, we're going to move our decimal point 3 spaces to the right. Here's 5.8. So here again, we're going to have to include some spaces here. Let's add some blank spaces. And then we're going to take our decimal point and move it over 3 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3. And this is where we stop. So our solution after we add our our zeros, it will be 5,800. So that is writing scientific notation into standard form.